Looking for the best audio interfaces to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. PreSonus Quantum 2626. This rack-mountable interface from PreSonus offers capacity, expandability, and a feature set rivaling that of interfaces twice its price, making it an appealing choice for small and home studios. PreSonus has a way of engineering pro-quality gear and making it available at a reasonable price point, and the company's Quantum 2626 may be the best example yet. Rack-mountable and decked out with BNC word clock, Thunderbolt, 48-volt phantom power, 24-bit/192 kHz AD/DA conversion, and a host of analog I/O for multi-mic configurations and playback with reference-grade mixing headphones to professional studio monitors. This is one of the best audio interfaces for home recording due to its sheer ability to integrate with other audio gear and expand along with the changing needs of most studios. Importantly, the Quantum 2626 comes bundled with Digital Audio Workstation (DAW) software, including Ableton Live Lite and PreSonus' own Studio One Artist, making this an ideal option for jump-starting a new recording setup. It features a total of 8 microphone preamps, 2 of which are compatible with instruments and 6 of which are compatible with line-level signals. Its A.DOT and S/PDIF inputs allow users to expand to a whopping total of 26 inputs and 26 outputs, making this an easy and cost-effective choice if you have aspirations to grow your studio down the line. The unit also includes its own dedicated line returns for inline interfacing with outboard gear line compressors and equalizers. Number 2. UA Volt 2 UA Volt 2. The UA Volt 2 is an all-in-one recording toolkit for the traveling musician, offering a pleasing vintage mode that achieves a tube amp-like effect. A clean rectangular chassis measuring roughly 7 by 5 by 2 inches and weighing just 1.4 pounds, the Universal Audio Volt 2 interface offers both panache and portability. The Volt 2's control panel is straightforward, with clearly labeled gain controls and monitoring options alongside 2 combo XLR/1/4-inch inputs, which accept mic, instrument, and line-level signals. A few backlit buttons offer access to 48-volt phantom power, instrument signal selection, and the Volt's distinctive vintage mode, which engages solid-state electronics to add soft clipping and warm saturation to the input signals in the style of the Universal Audio Solo 610 tube preamp. Compared to audio recorded with similar two-input interfaces, the Volt 2's converters, informed by the flagship Apollo line of interfaces, and its max audio conversion rate of 24-bit/192 kHz help the interface sound distinctly open in its high-frequency range. There's a relatively detailed mid-range that doesn't suffer from much of the obscure and muddy character that is often a hallmark of its price range. And the vintage mode engages a soft clipper to flatten peaks in the input signal in a behavior similar to Valve's, lending a character that our reviewer found worked particularly well for early rock and Motown-esque bass and guitar tones. In general, UA has been on a real winning streak in 2022/2023, with impressive, expressive releases such as the SD1 Dynamic Mic, the UA Sphere DLX modeling microphone system, and a series of UAFX portable processing engines/amp emulators for guitarists. Number 3. Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. The compact Scarlett 2i2 from Focusrite sports an intuitive layout and 2 versatile input preamps that make it ideal for running a basic recording or live streaming setup. Even minimalist recording setups require robust enough gear to deliver high-quality audio. The Scarlett 2i2 is a compact USB-powered workhorse that offers pro features like combo inputs, 48-volt phantom power for condenser microphones, and 24-bit/192 kHz analog-to-digital conversion at an affordable price point, making it the best audio interface for live streamers, mobile recordists, voiceover artists, and more. Most basic live streaming and podcasting setups require 1 or 2 microphones at most for voice capture, so the 2-input capacity of the Scarlett 2i2 makes it a lean and fitting choice for such a context. This stripped-down design allows it to draw all its power off of USB, which makes it more compact than some of its competitors that require an external power supply. Its minimal capacity also makes it a solid option for use as a stereo output when using software synths, samplers, and other line-level computer-based sources. Number 4. IK Multimedia iRig HD2. This pocket-sized interface comes bundled with amplifier simulation software and includes a dedicated amplifier output, making it perfect for recording to Mac, iPad, and iPhone while integrating with existing rigs. If you're looking for the best audio interface for guitar, the iRig HD2 is a robust quick start option that's small enough to fit on any desk or slip into a gig bag. Though minimal in its design, it sports thoughtful features like onboard level controls, a built-in headphone output, and an optional amp throughput for sending signal to a computer and an amplifier simultaneously. It's compatible with Mac and PC and connects using either Lightning or USB, cables included. Besides its portable shape and its ability to capture high-quality 24-bit/96 kHz audio, one of the iRig HD2's most significant features is its bundled amplifier simulation software, Amplitube. The program includes a host of virtual pedal effects and amplifier cabinets for creating realistic, studio-quality electric guitar recordings without an amplifier or external FX rig. Not only does the software eliminate the need for bulky recording equipment, but it allows users to record loud electric guitar tones in near-complete silence, making this a good option for recording at night, in shared spaces, and on the go. Number 5. PreSonus AudioBox USB. This simple interface packs two combo inputs, speaker and headphone outputs, and high-quality 24-bit/96 kHz analog-to-digital conversion into an affordable bus-powered unit. If you need a simple, portable audio interface for powering a small podcasting setup or bare-bones recording studio on a budget, the two-channel PreSonus AudioBox is worth a look. Its two combo inputs accommodate XLR microphones, as well as a quarter-inch instrument inputs, and it has simple stereo outputs for a set of speakers as well as a single headphone output for monitoring. A knob on the front panel allows users to adjust the mix between their pre-recorded audio and their live signal, eliminating the common latency and delay issues typical of digital recording. Our pick for the best budget audio interface, this unit is bundled with a significant amount of recording software, including Ableton Live Lite and Studio One Artist Edition, which makes it a good option for users who are starting from square one. It also has high-quality converters capable of recording at fidelity up to 24-bit/96 kHz, and it includes MIDI inputs and outputs for connecting keyboards and other devices.